Alright, here is a Hunter Southern Breeze in a condo that my aunt is renting in Florida. This is a newer Comfort Breeze. I can tell by these brackets. I don't really like these brackets. I like the smaller ones better. And definitely by that switch housing. And because of the chains too. I'm trying to see if it has the Hunter. Yeah, there's the Hunter logo. And it's actually not on. This air vent right here is so powerful that it actually moves these blades. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. We'll start off with the light first. It's nothing special. I'll go ahead and put it on low first. Okay, here's low. Alright, that's low, put it to medium. Alright, let's put this on high now. We'll go ahead and put this back down to medium. And that is the Hunter Southern Breeze in the condo my aunt rented. Thank you for watching.